The red buds are blooming, so what are we making here? You can make some jelly, Redbud jelly. So we're gonna get fill up this bucket with red buds. Check it out. They're pretty, aren't they? We're just stripping them off the tree here. I've never made any redbud jelly before. All you gotta do is pull the blooms off, put them in a bucket. Got a lot of red buds this time of year. Look at the color difference in these. That last tree was real purpley, and these are a little more pink looking. So a little variety. All right, we got our red buds, and we're making our jelly. Pour 2 cups of boiling water over the blooms. I think you have enough to cover the blooms.
Yeah, she said push them down in it.
Yeah, push them down in it. Then you gotta let that sit overnight. All right, we had the red bud flowers sat overnight. You can see that all the color came out of them. Look at that pink juice there. So we're getting ready to make the jelly with it. So you had two quart jars filled with flowers. And, you know, that one looks a little more purple. On the blue, yeah, like purplish. Different tree, we got those off. Look at that juice there. Well, we got over 2 cups. Make quite a bit of jelly out of that. Now I just tasted a little bit of the juice, and it kind of tastes a little bit like pickles or something. Has a little bit sour taste to it. So next you add your 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to it, and that's supposed to change the color of it. I don't really see a color change on it. Yeah. Maybe a little more pink, I don't know. Okay, we got our liquid,
Ready?
our Redbud tea there. Yeah, you're gonna add 1 package of Sure Gel. She already added the lemon juice, so you're gonna bring that to a boil now. All right, got the Sure Gel boiling. Now we're gonna add 2 cups of sugar and 2 teaspoons of butter. The butter just keeps the foaming down. You can add that, or you don't have to add it if you don't want to. There's some butter.
It has to boil for 1 minute, don't it?
Yeah, you boil it hard for 1 minute. Once it gets boiling again, that's probably enough butter right there. You can add to it. All right, so we got it boiling good, and it's almost a minute. Then from here, you just put in some sterilized jars and seal it. That's it, that's the minute. All right, we heated our jars in the oven for about 15 minutes at 350. Sterilize them. All right, this is it. We're pouring into the jars. Jars are really hot still. This is bubbling a little bit. Looks like you might get 2 jars out of that. 2, what else? Pint jars? All right, when that cools off, we're going to try some on a biscuit or some toast or something. So, what do you think of it?
kind of has an apple taste.
Apple taste? That probably the pectin, the Sure Gel has apple in it.
But it has apple taste.
Apple pectin. I think that's what the Sure Gel is. It's just apple. It's tangy.
But it has a different fruity taste.
Yeah,
It's
it's kind of fruity.
Tastes better than apple jelly, though.
Yeah, it's real good. I like it. There you go, guys. If you got some redbud trees, I'd go ahead and try this. It's good.